found this bad boy on Kijiji.
All right, so 79.5 would look like this. That takes up,
Not including the table.
yeah, that takes up a lot of the table. I don't think I want that. So let's shorten it. Let's see, this would be a big piece to hang up there, but it would really be suited. What would 60 look like?
Pretty much your whole decoration, right?
Yeah, let's do 60. 60 it is. Pretty sure I want that side. Cleaning it out. So you made this other side chiseled like the other side? Ooh, good job. That looks really good, babe.
Not bad. It's a little bit unnatural, but you just gotta beat it up a little bit. Here is a little 120 grit, just cheap leftover sandpaper. Main goal here is just to take away some of the burnt layer. Just a light sand. You don't want to get rid of too many of the blacks. I bought this electrical box just at the hardware store, Rona. It's just like a light switch box type of thing, and then this little cover that will go over top of it. I made this hole, and then it was a bit of a ordeal, but I used this circle bit, did 4, 5 holes kind of thing. You just check the depth that you want first by matching it up to this. And then after cutting those holes, I used the saw to kind of cut around the outside, and then chiseled the rest of it away. What you end up with is something where your box just sits inside like that, and then this will go on top, and then the wires will come in through each side here.
Babe. Woo! Moment of truth. You. Are we ready? Wow! It's beautiful! Beautiful! Wow! It's so nice! Can't wait to see it in the morning too. The lights. Looks great! Beautiful, babe. You did such a good job.